This has just been a wonderful, wonderful holiday. I couldn't have asked for a better Christmas. I got everything I wanted and more. My children were here. Lots of family were around. It was just nice. And as much as I've enjoyed my Christmas decor, now it's time to take it all down. So if you want to see that process, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. It is more than a notion to decorate a house for Christmas. I had decorations in every room downstairs. Even the bathroom, even though it was just a little flag on the door, I did have a little holiday decor in there. So now it's time to pack it all up and put it away. Now granted, it will come down a whole lot quicker than it went up. It's just the thought of having to take it all down. But I do have help. My husband's going to help me, and as a matter of fact, he's already taken down the things that I had out on the porch, so I don't have to worry about that. I just have to take care of the inside stuff, and he even volunteered to help with that. So you'll see him in and out, giving me a little hand with this and that. I'm going to start in this room with this Christmas tree because he likes to get that in the box and get that put up in the attic first. So I'll have to get all the ornaments and the ribbons off of that. And then I'll pack up all this decor. And I think what I'll do is I'll take it all out of here into the kitchen. For some reason, since the kitchen is the heart of the home, I like to pack and unpack things in the kitchen. So I'll drag it all in there. And then I'll get into the dining room and take everything into the kitchen and get the regular china and that kind of thing back into the china cabinet, and we'll just go from there. So I guess I better quit talking and get it started. Well, I've got everything out of here. Now, it's not packed up. It's just in the kitchen on the table or on the counter or in there somewhere. So I will get it boxed up. My husband will get in here and he'll take the tree down and box that up. And I'll move on to what I need to do in the kitchen. So let's go. I have been packing away Christmas things all day. Well, not literally all day, but quite a bit. So I've got all the greenery packed up. I've got some of the lanterns and things packed up, but it's time for dinner. I'm going to call it a halt, and I will resume this activity tomorrow. So good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.